Yo, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll make first tutorial how to make a lot of money from only one paper. Okay, let's go open your file here. Okay, go quick selection, select the mask, and make sure you select your paper here. Watch out on edges, make your brush small on edges here. AI will help you to already select it easy, very easy. Zoom in, watch out for smallest details here. We took those. Okay, after you select it, watch out for smooth, make it 30 here, and that's my setting. You can copy it, click OK, go here and make selection on your paper, make sure it's close enough here, and then click on layer, go to edit, and define a pattern. You can name it money for sure, money. Hit OK and go to your design here, Control A to make all the space select. You can right click, click on fill, content pattern, custom pattern. You check your money here and make sure you click on the script and random fill. Hit OK. Destiny here, how much paper or how much money here in your space. If I put it low, it will be like that, more. I prefer 10. Minimum scale for smallest paper, maximum for biggest. If I want to make small paper and big paper like that, make sure you enable rotate pattern to make it feel real money. Color, if you can, if you want to randomize your color like a lot of paper, but I make it 0. Brightness, yep, it's enabled here, make it 0.02. Hit OK. Here, you're done.